What's up, guys? Brandon with the TRT community. I've released this on various platforms already. I know you're like, why is this guy standing? He's never standing. It's because I'm pumped. So we've got that light over there. Where is it? Right there. It's distracting me. We've got some exciting stuff going on. We've got some clinics that are discounting treatment for some of our TRT community, all of our TRT community members, and our All Things Testosterone podcast listeners. That extends to you guys, the YouTube followers. There's like less than 200 of you, so whatever. But if you want information on these discounts, text TRT to 66866. That's just like you're sending a text to your mom, but you would, instead of it saying mom, you'll type in the phone number 66866. It'll send you a link with some detailed information. Essentially, there's treatment options as low as $80 a month for testosterone only. There's treatment options that include all the labs you're going to need for as little as $150 a month. All the labs, and obviously the testosterone, the medications as well. So right now we've got 4 different providers that are up there, or that are partnering with us to offer these permanent discounts. I've got 2 more that are ready to come on board. I'm just waiting for our next launch, which is going to be 2 weeks. We launched these yesterday, and then in 2 weeks we're going to launch another batch. So more and more clinics are going to be joining. So text TRT to 66866. You can also join the Facebook group. And if you don't want to text, then you can check out the podcast. I listed all the details on there, but you can check out the podcast as well. That's all.